the spirit of light and the sleeping kingdom. One day, the main character, the boy Takeru, was exploring the forest as usual, when a dazzling light suddenly appeared in front of his eyes. The light is a small spirit, and I am the spirit of light, Lyra. I need your help, he said. According to Lyra's story, there is a king sleeping in a distant kingdom. The king was once the great king who brought light and happiness to this world, but now he has been sealed by the Dark Witch. Rilla claimed that when the king wakes up, the world can regain its glory. Takeru is led by Lyra and decides to head to the kingdom. On the way, he faces various trials. The first test was a battle with a huge monster. Takeru summons his courage and triumphs brilliantly with the help of Lyra. The next test was to find a way in a maze-like forest. Leela showed Takeru the path of light, and he was able to get through the maze safely. However, the last test was waiting. It's a confrontation with a witch. Takeru and Lyra headed to the witch's residence, where they fought an epic battle. Takeru believes in the courage and the power of friendship within him, and eventually succeeds defeating the witch. At that moment, the kingdom was enveloped in light, and the sleeping king woke up. The king thanked Takeru and acknowledged the courage and hope he brought. Takeru, along with the people of the kingdom, began an adventure to restore light to the world again. The story ends with Takeru continuing his adventure with his new friends, overcoming difficulties, and deepening his friendship. And the kingdom will continue to shine forever. That's it.